Hi, my name is Q. Over here at Balance Flow, I take hormone optimization, Miha training, as well as physical therapy for some muscular ailments. So I started coming to Balance Flow probably about over 10 years ago. Came in because after a lifetime of martial arts training, competition, and some stunt work, I had a ton of body issues. If I walked more than 2 blocks, my right knee would just go down. I would not be able to walk without pain, without grinding sensation. I was bone on bone for the longest time. I felt results within the first week. It was life-changing. I was chasing my kids, I was playing with my dog, I was doing everything I couldn't do prior to that. It was miraculous, honestly. I can't sing the praises enough about it. Miha is amazing. One of the highlights of my week is come down to do the Miha. It's 20 minutes out of your week, and the changes to your body are ridiculous, ridiculous. I've been in it for about 8 months now, I would say. I've lost about 6 pounds, which doesn't sound like a lot in that time frame, but it's not about the numbers, it's about how you look and how you feel. I've dropped about 4 inches off my waist, my chest is broader, my muscles, I haven't seen these muscles in 10 years, and they're popping out now. It's phenomenal. 2 weeks ago, I had another flare-up. I tore my meniscus again 5 months ago, and I came back here for rehab, obviously, Balance Flow. And I talked to the nurse practitioner, Laura Lee. I let her know that, I'm doing everything I could think of. I'm rolling out my joints. I'm, wearing a brace. What else can I do to help this out? And she pointed out some exercises I could add into my daily routine easily. I've been doing that for a week, and my pain is gone now. I definitely plan to stay on it. As long as you guys are here, I'll be coming to Balance Flow. There's no doubt about that. Why wouldn't I want to have my body reacting the way I want it to, performing the way I want it to, having the drive and energy when I want it? There's no downsides to it.